Hey everyone, this is a game called Push the Pin that I've been playing. The setup has, and my setup has 5 spots with a cylinder set up on the center spot. I have pairs set up on each of the sidelines, so one pair of students here, one pair of students all the way at the other end. And the idea is for each pair of students to take turns rolling a ball. And we go over the cues for rolling. First student rolls the ball. If they're able to knock the pin down, they move it into the other team's zone. So this pin falls down, you pick it up, they put it in the other team's zone, then the other team throws. And their goal is to knock it back to the center. If they miss it, the other team has another roll and they have a chance to knock it all the way to the other team's sideline, which means they would get a point and you would start again. But if the team over here rolls the ball and it knocks over the cylinder, they move it back to the center line, and hopefully on their next roll, they'll knock it to the other team's zone. I play this on my older kids as well, but we use more spots in a bigger space so that we'll have, we'll have about 7 spots, with the middle one being for the starting point, and it's a fun game.
Oh, you just missed. Let's see it, Evan. Yes, move it up 1. All right, Constance, send it back. Send it the other direction. There you go, take the pressure off. Let's see it, Charlotte. Oh, just missed. All right, Wanying, step with your opposite foot, okay? Opposite foot. Ooh, a little spin on that ball. Uh-oh, he's getting closer. You better send it back. Nice shot. Harry, for the point. Here it is. Ah, just missed. You better take your time and send it. Oh no, he's gonna get another turn. Send it, take the pressure off. Yes.